What if I told you the motorcycle in your garage could be more than just your weekend thrill? What if that roar of the engine was the sound of your wealth accelerating? Welcome to Virum Vision, where passion meets profit and your ride becomes your revenue. In the next 15 minutes, we'll break down how you can turn your bike into a profitable asset, not just something you love, but something that works for you. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a bonus secret strategy that most bikers overlook, and it could change your financial game forever. 1. Mindset shift, from passion to portfolio. First things first, you need to shift your mindset. Most people buy bikes for thrill, freedom, and status. And that's great. But if you think like an investor, your bike becomes more than adrenaline, it becomes an appreciating opportunity. Think of it like this: would you spend $20,000 on something that sits in your garage, or would you invest $20,000 into something that earns you more? Wealthy people don't just own things, they leverage them. So ask yourself, how can this bike work for me? And that's exactly what we're about to unpack. 2. Choose bikes with resale potential. Not all bikes are created equal. Some lose half their value the moment you ride off the lot, while others become collector's gold. Focus on models with limited production, high demand, or iconic status. Think Harley-Davidson CVOs, BMW R9T, or vintage cafe racers that age like wine. Research depreciation rates. Look for models that hold value or even appreciate. Want a tip? Retro bikes with modern tech are killing it in resale markets. If you buy smart, you're not spending. You're storing value on two wheels. 3. Preserve, don't just ride. Every ride adds a memory, but also mileage. If your bike is an investment, maintenance is wealth protection. Keep it pristine. Log every service. Use premium parts. Store it properly. A well-documented maintenance history can add thousands to your bike's resale value. Would you buy a Rolex with scratches and no box? Same goes here. Treat your bike like a collectible, not just a ride. Remember, buyers don't just want a bike, they want a story they can trust. 4. Strategic customization. Modding your bike can be risky or ridiculously rewarding. The key? Go for desirable mods with broad appeal. Think Aquapovic exhausts, LED lighting, or performance suspension upgrades. Avoid over-customizing, it's not your dream bike you're selling, it's someone else's dream you're building. Choose mods that enhance resale, not shrink the buyer pool. Oh, and always keep the stock parts. Buyers love flexibility. 5. Monetize through rentals. Why let your bike sit idle when it could be earning you money? Peer-to-peer rental platforms like Riders Share and Twisted Road let you safely rent your bike to vetted riders. Some owners earn $500 to $1,500 a month just by listing it. With insurance coverage and vetting systems, it's safer than you think. You set the rules. You stay in control. This isn't just passive income, it's turning your passion into profit. 6. Create content around your bike. In today's world, your ride is your brand. Share your journey on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Start a bike blog. Do reviews. Share travel stories. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. One viral reel of your ride tearing through the Rockies can lead to free gear, brand deals, even a side business. You already ride. Why not let the world ride along and pay for it? 7. Flip bikes for profit. Got a knack for spotting deals? Then flipping bikes could be your niche. Buy undervalued or lightly damaged bikes, fix them up, and resell. The secret is knowing your market, understanding demand, timing, and presentation. Think of it as house flipping, but way more fun. Start small. Build trust. Scale. Before long, your garage isn't just full of bikes, it's a money-making machine. 8. Use your bike to network and grow. Wealth isn't just money. It's connections. Your bike can get you into elite events, clubs, and mastermind groups you'd never access otherwise. Riders bond fast, and in those bonds lie business deals, mentorship, and opportunities. One weekend ride could lead to a lifelong partnership or investment. Ride with purpose, and you'll find the road leads to more than freedom, it leads to fortune. 9. Insure and protect the asset. Every investment comes with risk. And protecting your bike means protecting your future earnings. Get the right insurance, especially if you're renting, flipping, or content creating. Add GPS trackers. Use high-quality locks and cover your bike when parked. Theft, damage, or accidents can erase years of value in a second. Don't let that happen. A small monthly premium can preserve your entire motorcycle investment plan. 10. Bonus strategy: building a motorcycle portfolio. Here's the final move the wealthy bikers don't talk about: build a portfolio. 1 bike is fun. 3 are powerful. 5. Now you're talking legacy. Diversify by type: cruisers, sports, retros. Balance short-term rentals with long-term value holds. Treat each bike like a stock in your portfolio. And here's the twist. In our next video, we'll reveal the exact 5 bikes you can buy today that are predicted to double in value over the next decade. So don't just ride for thrills. Ride for freedom. Ride for wealth. Ride for the life you were meant to live. If this video sparked something in you, hit that like button and subscribe for more high-octane wealth wisdom every week. Drop a comment: what's your dream bike investment? And remember this: